I'd lift you up to say to your mother, this kid is going to be the best kid in the world. This kid is going to be somebody better than anybody I ever knew. And you grew up good and wonderful. It was great just watching you. It was like a privilege. Then came time for you to be your own man, and you did. Then you changed. You stopped being you. You let people stick a finger in your face and tell you you're no good. And then when things got hard, you started looking for something to blame, like a big shadow. Let me tell you something you already know. Life it's a mean and nasty place. And I don't care how tough you are, it will beat you to your knees and keep you there permanently if you let it.